Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Jamaican bully beef and cabbage with some ground provision. Now if you've been liking these videos, don't forget to subscribe for more. We're going to start off with our vegetables. Some sweet pepper, some scallion, some habanero, thyme, garlic, onion, and I like to put some pimento seed in mine. You can crush it or you can grind it up, or just use allspice. Cut out some carrot, some cabbage. Now once you cut the veggies, set that aside. Grab your corned beef. We're gonna mash that out into a bowl. It's just easy to incorporate. Once you do that, set that aside again. We're gonna need our dumpling now. As Jamaicans, we're gonna need some flour. So flour, salt, cornmeal, and some water. Just mix that up. Pour your water and knead that into a dough. You're gonna form a ball with that. Not too soft, not too wet, not too dry. Put that aside. Then we're gonna peel our ground provision, our Irish potato, sweet potato, cocoa, and some nice yellow yam. Peel that. Get a pot of water. Add some salt. Add your ground provisions to it. The sweet potato, your Irish potato, your yam. Cover that. Bring that to a boil. While that's boiling, knead a dumpling. Add that to your pot, give it a stir. Cover again and let that boil. In the meantime, we're gonna cook down our cabbage and corned beef. So I like to use some coconut oil. You can use olive oil or butter or regular oil, whichever you prefer. Add your veggies, saute or cook down that for a bit. Once you cook that down, then we're gonna add our cabbage. Now give that a stir. Cover your pot, let that steam. Now you're gonna season your pot. Add some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and grind up pimento seed or allspice. Stir that up. Add your bully beef. Give that a nice stir. Cover that and let that simmer for a bit. There you go, guys. Once that simmer, you're ready to plate. Dumpling or float. And there we have it, guys. Jamaican bully beef with your ground provision or corned beef, whichever you choose to call it. Steaming hot and ready. If you've been enjoying all these cooking videos, guys, don't forget, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.